Good morning from the heart of New York City. This is a Better Self Daily Show dedicated to one thing: to learn and apply to live as a better self daily. I'm your host, Angela Shurina, your personal trainer, your personal nutritionist, your personal health and wellness coach, your fellow biohacker, and just someone with a lot of passion for healthy living, healthy eating, healthy food, nutrition, fitness, movement, longevity, biohacking, and just feeling your best, looking your best, and performing your best on all levels. And today, guys, we are talking about the subject that I was recently asked a lot about during the class that I did, healthy food, healthy eating, nutrition class for some of my model friends, model/moms. So, and probably you guys are also a lot of times very confused about this subject. And the subject is yogurt and how to choose a healthier yogurt in a grocery store. And I have 5-step formula for you to choose the best yogurt for your taste and also for your health, and also to avoid all the allergies, indigestion, weight gain, inflammation in your body, and so on and so forth. Because quality, what kind of yogurt really matters when it comes to your health, when it comes to your energy levels, when it comes to your digestion and fat loss or fat gain, and all the nutrition that you're getting or not getting from your yogurts. So the point number one that I want you to understand is, when you're in a grocery store, the least that you can do is make sure that it says organic on your yogurt, that at least the cows from which milk was produced were not fed hormones, antibiotics, and all this nasty stuff. It doesn't guarantee that your body gonna react positively to that kind of yogurt, but at least you're gonna avoid the worst stuff that's gonna end up in your body and gonna mess up your health. So at least make sure that it's organic, and while you're at it, also make sure that there are no sweeteners added, no syrups, no honey, no sugar of any kind, no juices, no coconut sugars, nothing. Get some plain organic yogurt, and if you want to make it sweeter, just put it in some kind of blender or food processor, add some raspberries or strawberries, or maybe even banana or mango if you want it to be really sweet. It's all going to be better than adding processed sugar to your yogurt and eating it that way. Besides, when it's plain yogurt and it's organic, it's there is more possibility than that it was least processed, and it was and it's more natural. So the first thing, you want to make sure that at least it says organic, and at least it is unsweetened. The second thing that you guys might not know about is that milk these days, well, yogurt in particular, comes from different kind of breeds of cows. There are two kinds of breeds: the ones that produce milk with the casein A2, and the ones that produce milk and dairy products with the casein or milk protein A1. And the difference in A1 is taken from the milk of the cows of the breed who were domesticated, 10,000 years ago or somewhere around that. And A2 comes from the cows breeds that carried the same casein or the same milk protein that the cows that were not domesticated 10,000 years ago. I'm not sure how that works exactly with all this breeding. I'm not professional at it, but what more and more research shows that the casein A2 or milk from Northern European cows, and if it specifically says on the milk product that it comes, from with A2 casein or from Northern European cows, it produces much less inflammation in your body, because that A2 casein or milk protein is recognized by your body much better, because the breeds of the cows are more ancient, and our the gut bacteria is more used to digesting that kind of protein, so it causes less digestive issues, less allergies, and less gas or inflammation in your body. So whenever you can, basically buy the milk and milk products from Northern European countries, not from US. So Northern European countries, if you want to make it easy, instead of US, and plus organic and unsweetened, of course. The third thing, the even better choice, is going to be yogurt made from goat or sheep's milk, because that milk is much better, is proven to be much better for our bodies. It doesn't have lactose or I'm not sure, maybe a little bit of it, but it produces even less inflammatory reactions or allergies, and it's proven to be much easier on digestion and much better for health. Plus it has more protein and more nutrients in it. So whenever you can get goat or sheep's milk yogurt, get that. The fourth thing that I want you to think about and consider is getting non-dairy yogurt. The best one, the easiest one to find, I think the soy one is the easiest one to find, but I don't want you to eat any kind of soy yogurt ever. It's not even known like what's worse, soy or milk yogurt, unless you're lactose intolerant. Then of course dairy milk gonna produce more allergic and reactions and inflammation in your body. But the best non-dairy yogurt is coconut yogurt, and I'm gonna post a couple of links to a good coconut yogurt brand. Just make sure it's also not loaded with tons of sugar, it's unsweetened. So coconut yogurt, it tastes amazing when you choose the good brands like Coco Yo, for example, that has only 2 ingredients, coconut water and coconut flash. It tastes amazing, and again, if you want to make it sweeter, just add some berries or some fruit and mix it and blend it. But even by itself, because of coconut water, a little bit sweet, it tastes amazing. So coconut yogurt, make sure that it doesn't have lots of sugar. It's also very filling because coconuts have a lot of saturated fat that is good for you, some MCT oil or fat that you might be familiar with, that is easier transferred by your body or made into energy and used as energy. So coconut yogurt, unsweetened, find one at your store or order online. And the fifth thing is making yourself. It's not that difficult actually. You just gotta get some yogurt cultures, and I'm going to post a couple of links with recipes how to make your own coconut yogurt, or how to make your own yogurt from, let's say, goat milk or sheep milk that you can buy. And you're going to have the freshest, the most amazing yogurt, because when you make it yourself, you know exactly what you're putting in there, and most probably you're going to end up with much tastier and healthier version that you compared to what you can buy at the store. So this is your guide to yogurts, to buying your yogurt, to making your yogurt. Again, check out show notes. I'm going to post a couple of links to recipes, how to make your own, and also a couple of links to coconut yogurt that I personally think, if you want to have something like yogurt, if you miss your yogurt, then get coconut yogurt, get it plain, add some berries or fruits if you want to, and this is going to be your best option. Also the best option for kids who love yogurts. So this is your guide to your healthy yogurt shopping and healthy yogurt eating. If you need more specific, more questions, if you have any questions at all about yogurt or healthy living, healthy eating, longevity, fat loss, nutrition, then shoot me email to Angela@createyourself.today. Angela@createyourself.today. And till next time, guys, thank you for listening. I love you all. I wish you to have the healthiest day ever. And till next time, live as a better self today.